Hi, this is Eleni, and this month I'm participating in an art challenge with prompts about hair. It's called Hairloween, and I'm now on day 4, so I thought that I could share my process of some of them with you. I often sketch eyes, and in this case also nose and mouth, on the cover of journals like this, just to know which way is up, and when I'm done with the whole journal, I may keep it or I may paint over it. Because this is a daily challenge, I often like to use a face stencil to help me place the features on the right spot. So this is what you will see me do here. This is a face stencil by Jane Davenport, and I'm loosely sketching some of the lines because this time I don't want to use it exactly as it is, I just want it to help me create my own face. I am not a professional artist, so I don't know a lot of art stuff. I am just a creative person having fun. But even so, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below, and I'm going to try to answer them as best as I can. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I'm going to use watercolors, gouache, soft pastels, colored pencils, paint pens, a black carbon ink pen with a very small nib, and a silver glitter brush marker for some sparkle. Hope you enjoy my process, and grab your own stencils and stamps and come and play along. And this is it. Hope you came along and played with me and hope you had fun, maybe even learned something. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment under it, but also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified about my new videos. Because by doing all that, you are helping me draw more attention to my channel and reaching more people. Thank you for being here. See you soon. Love and kisses.